Ever wish you didn't have to pull out your phone just to check WhatsApp notification? With mode and routine on your Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can set it up so your phone read them aloud for you. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Mode and Routine. Now tap Discover. Under Useful on the Go section, select here Notification Allowed. Here you will see some preloaded setting. In the If section, you will see wired headphones that's set to connected, and place. You can tap it, then select my current place or other location you prefer, then tap Done. This means the routine will start when your wired headphones are connected and you are at the chosen place. In the 10 section, Read Notification Aloud, you can tap it, tap Apps, then select WhatsApp. Tap Done button twice to save your selection. In the When Routine End section, Read Notification Allowed will be set to return to its previous status automatically. At the bottom, you can edit to add or remove action, share if you want to send the routine to someone, and save to save it to your list of routine. Now, whenever you plug in your wired headphones at a selected place, your Galaxy S25 Ultra will read your WhatsApp messages aloud. It's perfect for staying connected without picking up your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.